May I call on stage Rain Kali M. Fak for the words of thanks and gratitude.
To our beloved school head, Sir Perfecto Senator, guests, teachers, parents, my fellow movers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you.
Sa diri ka na. Ano ka na dito
Kindergarten movers for this academic year. Into this day 2024, I would like to thank you all for coming today to celebrate this memorable event, our moving up ceremony. As we stand here today, adorned in our tiny caps and gowns, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the wonderful journey we have shared together in kindergarten. Kindergarten days were very exciting and challenging. So today, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our teacher, Ma'am Margie Lee. Thank you for your endless patience and your kindness. You have not only taught us our ABCs and 1, 2, 3, but you also nurtured our curiosity and creativity. To my fellow movers, Kia, thank you for the friendship that we made and enjoyed as we embark on this new chapter of our lives. Let us carry the lessons we have learned with us always. Thank you to our parents and families for your love and support. We are grateful for all the sacrifices we have made. Thank you also to our school head, Sir Perfecto Una Jr., for being kind and supportive, and most especially, I would like to thank God for giving wisdom and strength. Thank you, kindergarten, for the unforgettable memories. Congratulations, class of 2024. We did it. Thank you, and God bless us all.
We did it. Diba? Oh, ano na?
Thank you so much, Kali. And now, the most awaited part of our program, especially for the parents and the learners who will be awarded. May I call on Ma'am Margie Lee to do the honors of giving ribbons and awarding of medals to honors and deserving pupils. And may I call on our guests, barangay officials, and our guest speakers.